Tech Illuminate Academy. First things first, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, make sure your notifications are turned on, and let's get into it. This video, I wanted to dive a little bit deep and talk about JavaScript as it pertains to building web applications. JavaScript is a programming language that allows you to implement complex features within a web page. For instance, a map. If you think about a Google map and you think about a destination you're trying to get to, the Google map is pretty powerful. It allows you to put in a destination and press a search button and you get back a result. You can also do timely content updates. For instance, if you have a profile or a blog and you're updating information in a database, you can use JavaScript to make a request to a database and update that content as soon as it is available in real time. You can also implement 2D and 3D graphics and animations. JavaScript can also be used for other things, such as on the back end. So before we were talking about a lot of stuff that we could do on the front end, but you could do a lot of things on the back end with JavaScript using a server-side runtime called Node.js. So when we're talking about runtime, we're talking about where exactly is the JavaScript code being executed. So if we're talking about on the front end, that's within the browser. So with Node.js, that's being executed server-side on the back end. With Node.js, you're able to interact with a database by making requests using JavaScript. This is pretty powerful if you want to build a web application that has a back end, and then you can submit information to a database, update it, delete it, or create a record. So with JavaScript, you can also build mobile apps and desktop applications such as Visual Studio Code and Slack messaging app. So earlier I talked about JavaScript being a programming language, but I wanted to take it a step further. So there's other programming languages such as C++, C#, and Java. These programming languages must be compiled. So you write the code like you normally would, and then you would run that code through a compiler, which would turn that code into machine readable code that your computer, which is the machine, can understand and interpret. With JavaScript, that isn't the case. With JavaScript, you can take the code that you write, submit it to the machine, to your computer, and it knows exactly how to read and interpret that code. You can even go to a website that has JavaScript and look at the actual JavaScript that has been implemented in that website and see how certain features are put together, how other developers implemented certain features that you're trying to implement within your own website. It's a great way to debug and hack away. So I'm not going to get into every single detail about JavaScript because it encompasses so much. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to download all the tools you need so you can start writing code and start learning JavaScript ASAP. See you in the next video.